These long lines tell you the story of people standing to get the second dose of the vaccination, whereas on the other side there are people waiting to get the first dose of the vaccine. There are senior citizens in this line and they are facing difficulties because of standing in the sun. Many of them have been standing from half an hour to some even 1.5 hours. There is no clarity when they're going to get their form. Those who've got their form, there's no clarity when they're going to get the second dose of vaccine, but they are waiting, they are hopeful. We're going to speak to some people to ask them what problems they are facing. Are you facing any problems over here?
No,
Since when have you been standing in the line?
5 minutes.
So this lady has been standing for the last 5 minutes. I'm going to ask some other people who have been standing longer because they have a different story to tell. You have been standing here since when, and are you facing any problems?
About half an hour.
I have been waiting for half an hour around. I was there.
Are you facing any problems?
The queue is a little bit slow. Other than that, there is no problem.
As a senior citizen, you're here in this line at this government hospital. Are you facing any problems as compared to coming for the first dose?
The system is very slow. Not other problems. The system is very slow.
The system is very slow, that is what they're saying, but they're waiting in line because they know it is important for them to get the vaccine because that is of topmost priority. Those who are waiting for the first dose of vaccine, they have a different story to tell. But we will show you the pictures of the people who are waiting for the first dose of the vaccine. These are the crowds here of the people, some waiting for the first dose, and those who are coming in for the second dose of vaccine are being let in over here. So a lot of people confused but waiting patiently because they know that their turn will come and it will be their turn to take the vaccination. With camera person Kokon Pradhan, Prema Rajram in Kolkata for India Today.